Hi friends and family, welcome to Sahara Bites, and today we're making oxtail stew. Yum! We're going to start off by slicing some onions. Slice up some cherry tomatoes. I'm going to go ahead and slice up some spring onions or scallions, depending on what you call it. I hope my knife skills are improving. We're going to go ahead and mince some garlic. Slice up some bell peppers. Slice up some parsley. Over to the oxtail, I can't wait. We'll go ahead, start off with some basil, Old Bay Seasoning, garlic powder, All Purpose Seasoning, ground pimento, a bit of black pepper, and something spicy, paprika. Ketchup is typically added, but I like barbecue sauce and I don't like ketchup, so please choose ketchup or barbecue. Make sure you mix well so all the oxtail gets those flavours. Yummy! Don't forget to add onions and your minced garlic. Mix well. Go ahead, add some thyme. What's the time, Mr. Wolf? Cover and set aside. For best flavours, let it sit overnight. We're going to start off by drizzling some oil into a pan. Add some brown sugar and wait for it to caramelise. We're going to go ahead and add the oxtail one by one. After the oxtail is fully sealed, go ahead and add your onion. and pour some stock. My stock is a mixture of the residue from the marinade and some beef stock. We're going to let the meat tenderise and stir every 15 minutes. Go ahead and add some tropical seasoning, onion powder, and curry powder. I wish you could smell the flavours. Check to see if the oxtail has fully tenderised. If so, go ahead and add butter beans. Go ahead and check the tin for cook time. We're going to add the bell peppers, the scallions, and the cherry tomatoes. Some of the water has reduced, so I'm going to go ahead and mix some brown sugar and some water together and pour inside. Check the flavours. Plate up. Add some coriander. Add some chilies, you know, I'm spicy. And serve and watch your guests salivate. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe.